Most people are waiting for life to change, waiting for money, opportunity, motivation, or the right moment. But many never realize everything starts in the mind. How you think about yourself, about life, about failure, about the people around you, shapes the life you live. If you feed your mind fear, you'll see problems everywhere. If you feed it bitterness, you'll poison your own peace. If you feed it excuses, you'll stay stuck and call it reality. But if you feed it truth, discipline, gratitude, faith, everything begins to shift. Science calls it neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself through repeated thoughts and habits. Studies show many habits can begin changing in weeks, and often around 66 days of consistency can build new patterns, meaning you are not stuck. You can change. So protect what enters your mind, what you watch, what you hear, who you listen to, what you repeat to yourself, because what enters repeatedly stays. And here is the good news. No matter what you believed yesterday, you can begin changing right now. One thought at a time, one habit at a time, one prayer at a time. God said it long before science measured it. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Change the way you think, and you can change your life. Because the battle may be in your mind, but so is the victory. Restored life after.